Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare these Julian's recipe keto waffle breakfast sandwiches. I have the chicken sausage and cheddar variety, but this method will work for pretty much all of the others. Now I'm going to show you how to make them better because doing it the way that they recommend on the box really produces not a great product. The waffles kind of suck. Sausage could be better, so we're going to try to do this a little bit better. But if you do just want to prepare it the way that they recommend and you lost your box, here are those instructions real quick. You are just going to go ahead and open up both ends of your waffle sandwich here. Just open up this end and that end, and then you're going to pop it into your microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds if cooking from frozen, and 1 minute if it's thawed. Now, to make this better, you are going to need a toaster, a spatula, and a skillet. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go ahead and preheat our skillet on about medium. And then we're gonna go ahead and open up our waffle sandwich and pop our waffles into the toaster. Now that we've got those in there, we've got it set to about medium, and I'm gonna go ahead and plunge those down. My toaster takes around 3 minutes on medium, so we should be able to finish everything all at the same time. And now that our pan is heated up, we're gonna go ahead and set aside our cheese. Just keep it on your plate over here. And we're gonna add our sausage into the pan. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use the spatula to just gently apply some pressure so that all of the surface area meets the pan. We're gonna cook it this way for about 1.5 minutes. All right, it's been about 1.5 minutes for this side of the sausage. We're gonna go ahead and flip it over and do about 1 minute. All right, it's been about 1 minute, so now we're gonna go ahead and add our cheese onto our sausage. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. And we're just gonna leave that there for about 30 seconds or so until it warms up a little bit. All right, our waffles just came up. Our sausage and cheese is done, so we're gonna go ahead and put this together. And here we have our completed Julian's recipe keto waffle breakfast sandwiches, chicken sausage and cheddar, and it's done better. If you guys would like to know how these sandwiches taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase it again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.